good afternoon, and good evening, depending on wherever you're watching me from. Like I said in the topic, this is a appreciation, and to inform us of my monetization. I want to appreciate all of us for the love and the care. I'm telling you, I'm so overwhelmed to have people like us as family members. I'm so grateful to God for giving people like you to me as friends and family. I'm so grateful. I just want to say a very big thank you to everybody, and to tell us that yes, Cosrep's Corner is 1,000 plus, and we are officially monetized, which means we are now in talking terms. Okay, we are now in talking terms with YT in in all ramification. We are now partner with them. Okay, but before then, I want to tell us a story. Like we know, I had issues before, and I had to sort the issue, but it wasn't easy. It was not easy. Temptation came front, left, right, and center, but I thank God for that grace to hold firm and to be set fast. It wasn't easy for me, I tell you. If you were in my shoes, most persons in my shoes will give up, will just lose hope, and will say they are no longer interested. But I'm telling you, YT is not all about, in as much as there is something coming in, for example, but it's a passion. Do you understand? It's something I love to do. It's something I've wished to do. It's something I've devoted my time to do. So it's very frustrating seeing that things are not going the way we want, and we want to lose hope, lose focus. But I'm telling you, it's not the best thing. You don't have to lose hope or lose focus or tell yourself you want to give up. Giving up is not a good thing. Giving up alone itself, it's you accepting defeat, of which it is not good. I am a living witness, and I want to announce to us that God did it for me, and I was able to be monetized within few months. Let me use the word within few months. But before without some persons close by to me, I think it would have been more difficult. So there's some persons that have been there. There's some persons that have been there through thick and thin. They were there. I don't want to call names. If I call names, some persons will feel I have omitted them. But nevertheless, there are some people that have done one or two things in making me feel comfortable. I'll be calling them as time goes by. So please, if I don't mention your name, don't say I did not mention your name. No, Cosrep has many names in his head, and I cannot mention all the names. Do you understand? What I will only do is to tell us that God has done it. You get? God has done it. God did it for me. So the God that did it for me can do it for you also. Do you get it? So if I don't mention your name, don't be skeptical and saying Cosrep did not mention me. Cosrep did not mention me. Cosrep cannot mention everybody. If I mention everybody, then there's no essence of doing the video. Do you understand? So if you did not hear your name or I did not mention your name, I'm telling you, as far as I've told you thank you in one way or the other, you are well appreciated. Okay? But these particular persons I'm going to mention are people who went above the normal being there. I know what I'm saying. They went above the normal being there, and they were there for me. Number one person on my list is Esther's Edu. She was the lady that took my hand and said, let's go Cosrep, you can do this. And together with her friends, Rebecca and Sweet and the rest of them, I appreciate you guys, okay? I appreciate you guys so much. I usually call them G5. Yes, I appreciate the G5 for everything they have done. They have taken me in as a brother without even seeing me. They took me in, and they took me with the hand, and here I am today. Mega love shout out and appreciation goes to Deaconess Blisky. Deaconess Blisky is there. I appreciate you, sister. I appreciate you for your love and your care. EA29, Sweet Elegant, Sweet P, Abena, Matilda. You guys are the bomb. As in, the names are many. Jackie, Susie, Tochi, and Vicky, Kiki. That's the name. Kiki Toria Reality. These are people. V Unique. These are great women, great men around me. Johnson Gabriel. Sam Agoha. These are people. Maso. These are people who were there. They did not allow me go. They grabbed me. Princess Beyond Passion. Abi. These are people who took me like family. I'm so much appreciative. If I did not mention your name, don't be upset with me. The names are enormous. I can't mention everybody because YT knows that yes, some persons are great family. YT has given us a very big family and we must keep. You understand? So I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. You guys were the bomb. God's love, Biafra Baby Cook. These are people who were there. I'm so grateful. The list is just there. The list is ending as in unending. It's just there. Your taste. These are people I just met. They are there. Family members who have come around and said YouTube is not all about bananas and baking. It's all about family, communion. Like sweet people always call it, fellowship. I appreciate you all. If I have not mentioned your name, please pardon me. There are things on my head and the list are enormous. I don't want to come and paste a name here, paste list here. No, I don't do that. All of you are appreciated. If I have not called your name, please pardon me. Just know that you are appreciated. I'm talking about Faith Ojone. I appreciate you, sis. You have been there. Thank you very much for the concern. Thank you so much. I appreciate everybody. Sweet, I've mentioned that before. She's among the G5. I don't joke with her. She's somebody that is focused, and I appreciate God for bringing her close to me. Together with Rebecca, I've said it before. These are the G5. I don't joke with them. Lydia is there. Lydia is there. Jennifer Diamond is there. I appreciate you all. You guys have been so much more than a family to me. I appreciate you. Pretty Tina is there also. I appreciate you, sis. Thank you very much for the love and the care. You are wonderful. You never knew, but you took me close and you did what you did for me. Mariama, I appreciate you people. You people are listening. When I'm calling names, don't think that this name are store. They are coming in like that. You understand? So I appreciate all of you. If I've once in a while told you thank you very much, don't forget you are well appreciated. If I've told you once in a while, thank you very much for anything, it means you are appreciated. That's why I'm very grateful. That's why I don't want to call some name and leave some name. But it's unfortunate I have to call names of those who were there, who have been there, and who are still there. Okay, please, I appreciate all of you for everything. Cost Rep is not just ending now. We are moving forward. Okay, so I want to tell us that we should not forget that Cost Rep is still available. Like I said, it's not just my corner. It's not my corner alone. I have made it an open corner for everybody. Everybody, you are welcome. It's my corner. Is your corner, is our corner, like Jennifer will always say. Jennifer Diamond. I appreciate you, sis. I appreciate everybody. Those I have mentioned, those I have not mentioned, I appreciate you. You guys are the bomb. I'm telling you the truth. As in, words are not enough to express how grateful I am to God for having people like you around. As in, the art of saying it alone makes me feel loved, and I am so grateful knowing you people. If I have not mentioned the name, like I said, I appreciate you. If I have told you thank you in a way, in one way or the other, and I did not mention your name, please pardon your brother. You are well appreciated. Okay, you are well appreciated, so much appreciated, and from my heart, I'm telling you, God bless you all for me. Your brother is 1K plus, and your brother is now officially monetized. I'm now with the YT partner program, and the case as the case may be. Okay, so wish us well. Expect more from this channel. We know why we do it. We don't relax. We give him the best. The best is what we are going to give, and we'll continue to give. Nobody is perfect. I am open to correction, advice, as the case may be. Please bring it on. I am somebody that loves taking advice. I will grab it and work towards it. I promise you. I won't joke with it for once. Please always bring your advice on when you have something to tell me. Don't look at it and say, no, it's not my concern. It's your concern. I'm your brother. I am your brother. Always know that, yes, I am your brother. So whenever you tell me something, I, as your brother, will not want to disappoint you. Because if I fail, partially, it affects you. So we are together in this. I don't want baking. I don't want bananas. I want a family. I want a group. I want that love to continue. Don't say that is monetized. Let us leave him. No, please. My content are always important for you to watch. My content are always encouraging for you to watch. I bring stories. I tell stories that affect the human being, the human life, the human entity as a whole. I tell us things that makes us want to reason life and think again. That is my channel. In my next video, subsequent video, I will tell us the elaborate reason why I opened this channel and how far it has gone, how far it has affected my life. I want to thank you all once again. All the names I have mentioned and the names I have not mentioned. As in, you guys are super wonderful people. I'm telling you the truth, as in there is no way I can say I did not feel your impact. I feel the impact, and the impact is so enormous in my heart. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful, as in I'm grateful. So to that, I bought a little wine so that we can celebrate together. So I'm not doing live today to make us be drunk. No, we're drinking very little today, not much. Okay, so I bought a little wine, and let's toast to Cost Rep Corner, for Cost Rep Corner, for the progress, for the moving ahead, for the next step. Hip hip hip, hooray! For progress, for success, for both subscribers and both friends and both family of the channel. Hip hip hip, hooray! For upliftment, great content, great partnership with YT, great encouragement from family and friends, and for a greater tomorrow. I say hip hip hip, hooray! Cheers, cheers, let's cheers, let's cheers. You hear the sound? Yes, let's cheers. Let me drink on our behalf, okay? Pardon me, let me drink on our behalf. Good wine. Yes, very good wine. Don't let me. I'm drinking for everybody. Don't worry. You can be drinking with me in your house. Okay, let me finish this one. It's not much. Just took a little. Yes. So guys, that's all I came to do, to appreciate us and to officially tell us that I am now above 1K subscribers, and I am now officially with YT as a monetized channel. Please, I beg you, on a more intimate note, don't abandon your brother. Don't abandon me. I need you more than ever before. My success in YT depends solely on you. Biko, Lao, Imia, Yankuri, per favor, I have begged in several languages, almost 5 or 4. Please, help me out to push this channel to the best level it can ever be. To push this channel to the place that when people see, they want to invite me for seminars and for programs. When I go there, I will still use your reference to make them know that, yes, I appreciate you. Yes, Unique Lady P, I did not forget you. Veralicious Vera, Joylicious Joy, I didn't forget you guys. You guys are the bomb. I didn't forget you. The names were too much. The names are too much, and they are coming. Vera, I appreciate you. Unique Lady P, you know you're my sister right from time. I've always appreciated you. Then Joylicious Joy, I appreciate you too. Mira, Mira, you will get there, okay? Don't worry, we are together. You will get there. Mama's handprint, I appreciate you. Lady T, you guys are too much. I'm still mentioning name, even after I mentioned the names I've mentioned. That will tell you that the love is too much. You get? So please, if I've not mentioned your name, don't think that I forgot. I didn't forget. If I start mentioning name now, we will not live here. I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth. We will not live here. So better let me just pick the ones I can pick and let us move on. So once again, thank you so very much. I want to update us that I appreciate everybody. We are over 1K, and by God's grace, we are now officially monetized. Thank you very much. Till I come away next time, please always watch my content and take me as your brother. Till I come away next time, take care, be careful, be safe. Peace.